How to change a landscape video into a vertical video in your CapCut mobile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily change your landscape video into a vertical video in your CapCut mobile. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to make your landscape video to vertical video in CapCut, first of all you have to open your CapCut and here click on new project, and from here you have to select the video that you want to convert to vertical video and click on add, and you can see we have vertical video or landscape video in our project. But if I want to make this video to vertical video, I will just scroll to the right, and here you can see aspect ratio. Here click on it, and here you can see TikTok size 9:16. Click on it, and from here you can adjust the size of your video according to your choice that you want to show in your video. And from here you can see we have successfully converted our landscape video into the vertical video in CapCut. So guys, in this way you can change your landscape video to vertical video in TikTok ratio in the CapCut very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.